Need to the joint, this is a problem under the case discrete. The joint probability mass function of x comma y is given by p of x comma y equal to k into 2x plus 3y, and x varies from 0 1 2 and y equal to 1 2 3. So these values we have to calculate one by one. So first we have to frame the table. The table is not given in the question. So the key point is given x value is 0 1 2. So write x value is 0 1 2 and y is 1 2 3. Arrange as 1 2 3, and in between values you can fill using this function k into 2x plus 3y. So in the first position here k x value is 0 and y value 1. Substitute here x value 0, y value 1 in the given question. So the answer received is 3k. Substitute here, and similarly in this question x value 0, y value 2. Substitute in the given question, you can receive the answer 6k. 2 x value 0, y value 2. Okay, so similarly fill all the values. So we'll go back to the question. First question is find k. You can add all the values 3k, 6k, 9k, all the values you can add, and that value equate to 1. So totally we get the value 72k equal to 1. The k value is 1 by 72. So next you can update this value into the table. The table is modified as 3 by 72, 6 by 72, 9 by 72, like that. Okay. Now we can add the row values 3 by 72, 6 by 72, 9 by 72. Totally we received the 18 by 72. This is corresponding to x equal to 0. So another name is called probability of x equal to 0. This is the marginal density function. Marginal density function. Sorry, marginal distribution function. And similarly for 1 you can add these values, that is probably x equal to 1. There is a marginal distribution function of x equal to 1, and likewise you can add these values, and similarly add the columns also, that is 15 by 72. This is a probability distribution function of y. This is a probability distribution function of x. Okay, that name is given. Y equal to 1 means 15 by 72, y equal to 2 means 24 by 72. Similarly a remainder. If you are adding all the value, that value should be 1. If you are adding the rows and columns, that value should be 1. Okay. So go to the second question, marginal distribution function of x and y. So x value is 0, 1, 2. So we are writing that final column x equal to 0 means 18 by 72, 1 means 24 by 72, 2 means 30 by 72. That is written in the box. This is for x. And similarly for y as x, y value 1 2 3, the corresponding y value is 15 by 72, 24 by 72, 33 72. That is written in the another table. Okay. And conditional probability y equal to 2, particularly they are mentioned. Suppose it is not mentioned means you have to find for all the y values, but here mentioned y equal to 2. What is x value? 0 1 2, y is fixed. So you can find the combination from 0 to 2 and 1 to 2, 2 to 2. So these combination you have to find. One by one we'll do it. 0 to 2 combination. That is a conditional symbol. So in between we'll put the conditional symbol. X equal to 0 now, y equal to 2. So it is written as 0 comma 2 divided by y equal to 2. Okay. Probability of 0 comma 2 means x value 0, y equal to 2. That is x value 0, y equal to 2 means this is 0 comma 2. The value is 6 by 72. Okay. And probability of y equal to 2 means, so this is the probability of y equal to 2. That is 24 by 72. Simplify it, we receive the 1 by 4. And similarly probability of x equal to 1 given y equal to 2. That is 1 comma 2. X value 1, y value 2. So 1 comma 2 means probability of 1 comma 2, that is 8 by 72. Okay, divide by probability of y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 means, just now we are seeing that 24 by 72. Okay, simplify it 1 by 3. Similarly, you can do for x equal to y equal to 2. Okay, third subdivision over. For fourth subdivision, probability of x less than or equal to 1. So remember the probability value. X value is 0, 1, 2 and P of X. So the corresponding value is 18 by 72, 24 by 72, 30 by 72. So 18 by 72, 24 by 72 and 30 by 72. This is for probability of x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. Okay. Less than or equal to 1 means x equal to 0, x equal to 1. If it is x equal to 0 now, what is the answer? 18 by 72. X equal to 1 means 24 by 72. So total is 42 by 72. That question answer is finished. Next one is y less than or equal to 3. So y less than or equal to 3 means you have to recollect the y table. So y table is 1, 2, 3 and P of y is 15 by 72, 24 by 72, 33 by 72. So y less than or equal to 3 means that is 1, 2, 3. The corresponding 1, 2, 3. All the values you can add. Okay. And the answer is 1. Next one, less than or equal to 1, y less than or equal to 3. That means that less than or equal to 1 now, what are the values covered? 0, 1. Y less than or equal to 3 means 1, 2, 3. So you can do the combination 0, 1. That is probably 0, 1. Next is 0, 2. Probably 0, 2. 0, 3. 0, 3. And next is combination 1, 1 and 1, 2, 1, 3. So these are all the position of the table. If it is 0, 1 means in x value 0, y value 1. Simply write that value alone. You don't want to calculate. So that is 3 by 72. Okay. And similarly 0, 2 is 6 by 72 up to the last. The addition value is 42 by 72. And next one is x less than or equal to 1, y less than or equal to 3. That is another form is x less than or equal to 1, comma, y less than or equal to 3 divided by probability of y less than or equal to 3. So it is the meaning that already we are finding this value just now, less than or equal to 1, y less than or equal to 3. The same concept we have to find, that the final answer alone we are using here 42 by 72. Y less than or equal to 3 means that is also already found out using this concept. That answer is 1. We can use the final answer alone. So answer 42 by 72. Okay. And another question is y less than or equal to 3 given x less than or equal to 1. Okay. See, then reverse. So y x less than or equal to 1, y less than or equal to 3. In the question it's given like this, but it is the position of x should be in first and the position of y should be in second. And what the value finished last, that is written in the denominator. Probability of x less than or equal to 1. This combination just now we are calculated 42 by 72. X less than or equal to 1, that is also found in the previous problem. 42 by 72. Replace the value and the answer is 1. X plus y less than or equal to 3. It means that x value, y value listed here. So the addition should be less than 3. So x value we know that. What are the values are there? 0, 1, 2. What y value? 1, 2, 3. So replace 1 by 1. So first we can freeze the x value 0. Y value we can modify. So 0, 1. If it is addition is 1, that is less than or equal to 3. Similarly, x value fixed. Increase the y value, that is 2, 0 to 2, 0 and increase the y value, that is 3. Okay, this combination accepted. And increase the x value 1 and the y value 1, answer is 2. X value 1, y value 2, increase the y value, that is 3. If you are increasing 3 means it will go beyond the 3. So that combination we are not considered. So what are the combinations adapt to this condition, that alone we are taken. Okay. So first combination is 0, 1. That is probably 0, 1. 0, 2 and 0, 3 up to 2, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 2 taken from the table, already it is explained. Write that value and find the solution. And next one is e of y minus 2x. E of y minus 2x can be written as e of y minus 2 e of x. So e of y means that is the mean of y. E of x means mean of x. E of x first we have to find. For that we need the table. The summation x p of x is the formula. We can multiply these two values plus 1 into 24 by 72 plus 2 into 30 by 72. This is the formula. And e of x is 84 by 72. Okay. And similarly find the e of y. E of y formula summation y p of y for that we need the y table. Okay, and 1 into 15 by 72, 2 into 24 by 72, 3 into 33 by 72. Okay, we can multiply and find the value. And same method already we are finding these values, write the question e of y minus 2x, e of y minus 2 into e of x, substitute the values e of y and e of x and simplify it, and final answer 6 by 72. Okay, and variance of x is e of x square minus e of x the whole square, variance of y is e of y square minus e of y the whole square. Okay, so one by one we will calculate. E of x value already we know that, e of y also known that. E of x square, e of y square unknown, the formula is summation x square p of x. So already we need the table, you can square and multiply this. Square x square into 18 by 72 and 1 square into 24 by 72, 2 square into 30 by 72. That is the x square p of x expansion. So answer 144 by 72. The same approach for y square also, and substitute these values, e of x square values here. Okay, e of x already there, and simplify it. And similarly e of y square also. We are simplifying, answer is 23 by 36. And similarly here 408 by 72 e of y square and e of y the whole square. So that answer is 29 by 48. So we need the variance of x, that is 23 by 36. The notation is sigma x square. But the question sigma x asked, that is standard deviation. If you are taking square root, we receive the sigma x, sigma y. So why we are calculating sigma x, sigma y means it will be useful for calculating covariance. So next question is covariance of x comma y is e of xy minus e of x into e of y. It is a formula. In this e of x we are having e of y also there. E of xy only missing. The expansion is summation xy p of x comma y. So how we can calculate this value means very simple. Using the table we will calculate easily. See the table. 0 into 1 3 by 72. 0 into 1 3 by 72. Next is 0 into 2 6 by 72 plus 0 into 3 9 by 72 plus 1 into 1 1 into 1 into 5 by 72. Okay, so likewise we will fill all the values and find the e of xy. Now we can replace those values e of xy, e of x, e of y in this formula and find the covariance minus 1 by 24 answer. Okay, next you need to calculate the correlation formula. Covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x sigma y. Covariance just now we are calculated minus 1 by 24. Sigma x sigma y also we are already calculated, sigma x and sigma y. Replace here and the answer is minus 0.06. The correlation value should be minus 1 to 1. Okay, regression is not in the syllabus. After this you can study. Thank you.